After running for a while, the SWAT team arrives at an abandoned house and sees a robber upstairs. The SWAT team raises their guns and shoots the robber dead. His accomplices run out and don't see anything. The panicked enemy quickly runs downstairs and tells two other robbers to run outside. A female SWAT member sees the two robbers not paying attention. So she raises her gun and aims at a robber, but is spotted by another robber who orders his comrades to attack the SWAT team. Both sides engage in a fierce shootout until the robbers run out of ammunition and are quickly taken down by the SWAT team. Stairs, but doesn't see any robbers. The SWAT team looks into a room where the robbers are hiding behind a wall. The robbers plan to attack the female SWAT member from behind. The female SWAT member goes to the spot where the robber was killed. Hearing a call, she turns around and sees three robbers pointing their guns at her. Thinking quickly, the SWAT team catches the robbers off guard, taking the opportunity to kick each one, causing them pain and incapacitating them. The SWAT team then finishes them off.
You die.
Hey!
After killing the robbers, the SWAT team heads to the third floor and encounters another robber, who is shot dead. Another enemy hears the gunshots and runs out, only to be attacked and killed by the SWAT team. In another room, there are two robbers. One of them runs out and is killed by the SWAT team. The remaining robber tries to run out, but is taken down by the SWAT team. After eliminating the robbers, the SWAT team goes into a room to retrieve a backpack and then leaves. After eliminating the robbers, the SWAT team goes into a room to retrieve a backpack and then leaves.